ʃɪft,
shift,
shift,
shift can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, shift can mean 1. A type of women's undergarment, a slip. 2. A change of workers, now specifically a set group of workers or period of working time. 3. An act of shifting, a slight movement or change. 4. The gear mechanism in a motor vehicle. 5. A bit shift. 6. The infield shift. 7. The act of kissing passionately. 8. A contrivance, a device to try when other methods fail. 9. A trick, an artifice. 10. The extent, or arrangement, of the overlapping of plank, brick, stones, etc., that are placed in courses so as to break joints. 11. A breaking off and dislocation of a seam, a fault. 12. A mutation in which the DNA or RNA from two different sources such as viruses or bacteria combine. 13. In violin playing, any position of the left hand except that nearest the nut. 14. A modifier key whose main function is shifting between two or more functions of any of certain other keys, usually by pressing Shift and the other button simultaneously. As a verb, shift can mean 1. To move from one place to another, to redistribute. 2. To change in form or character, swap. 3. To change position. 4. To change residence, to leave and live elsewhere. 5. To change clothes, especially underwear. 6. To change someone's clothes, sometimes specifically to change underwear. 7. To change gears in a car. 8. To move the keys of a typewriter over in order to type capital letters and special characters. 9. To switch to a character entry mode for capital letters and special characters. 10. To manipulate a binary number by moving all of its digits left or right, compare rotate. 11. To remove the first value from an array. 12. To dispose of. 13. To hurry. 14. To engage in sexual petting. 15. To resort to expedients for accomplishing a purpose. To contrive. To manage. 16. To practice indirect or evasive methods. 17. In violin playing, to move the left hand from its original position next to the nut.
Once the motivation tide begins to shift,